In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Life 360. First, let's start by opening the Life 360 app on your device. You'll find the icon on your home screen, and it looks like a blue circle with a white outline. Tapping on this icon will launch the app and bring you to the main screen. This screen shows you a map and the current locations of your family members who are also using Life 360. It's important to ensure that you open the app correctly, as this is your gateway to managing your location settings. Once the app is fully loaded, you will be ready for the next step. Now we need to access the settings menu. To do this, look for the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon will take you into the settings area of the app. Here, you can manage various features, including notifications, privacy, and, importantly, location sharing. This step is crucial because it allows you to control how your location is shared with your circle. Once you tap the gear icon, you will see a list of options related to your Life 360 account. Next, find the option labeled Location Sharing. It should be visible within the settings menu. Tapping on Location Sharing will bring you to the section where you can manage your location sharing preferences. This area is significant as it directly impacts how your friends and family can see your whereabouts. By navigating to this section, you're one step closer to adjusting how your location is shared. You should now see options to turn location sharing on or off, along with additional details about your current settings. At this point, you will see a toggle switch for location sharing. If you want to share your location, make sure the switch is turned on. This means your location is visible to your circle members. Alternatively, if you wish to stop sharing your location, simply turn the switch off. This action provides you with control over your privacy. It's a simple step, but it carries a lot of weight in terms of how secure you feel while using the app. Remember, your changes will be effective immediately, so you can feel confident in your decision. Once that is done, take a moment to review your settings. It's a good practice to double-check that the toggle is in the desired position. This ensures that your preferences are set correctly. Sometimes a quick review can save you from unexpected situations later. If you see the toggle turned on, you are successfully sharing your location. If it's turned off, your location will not be shared. This confirmation is reassuring, as it lets you know that your settings have been applied correctly. After that, you can exit the settings menu by tapping the back arrow or the home button, returning to the main screen of the app. You should now see your current location displayed on the map. This visual confirmation helps you verify that everything is functioning as intended. With your settings adjusted, you can feel more at ease knowing you have control over your location sharing within Life 360. Now you are all set. Whether you choose to share your location or not, it's entirely up to you. Your privacy is important, and understanding how to manage these settings empowers you to use Life 360 effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, these steps are simple, but they ensure your experience with Life 360 is secure and tailored to your needs.